You know, things are really coming together, and it's time to get the last bit of that 80s out of this house, the fireplace. Now, rather than busting out all the brick, we're going to use a stacked stone that's man-made. It's gorgeous, and it's really going to go well with the walls, the beams, the floors, everything to really set this house off. All right, so one of the things that really makes it nice using these pieces are these corners. You know, a lot of times if you got to go in and take real stone and put a corner together, it's just a real pain. Well, with these, whether you've got a short corner or a long corner, you've got what you need, because this can be cut. Even a really deep corner around a outside of a house or something can be cut to fit. And one of the things that you got to remember when you're installing this stuff is you got to fit the pieces together tightly. Now, this is a man-made cast material, so there's going to be little burrs on edges and stuff that sometimes you have to take off in order to get the joints nice and tight. But like most things, the installation process makes all the difference. Hey, for more quick tips like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can get there by going to thipro.com.